There's a point in every new parent's routine where bottle cleaning stops feeling simple and starts feeling constant. And when that happens, products that genuinely save time and reduce stress become far more valuable than they first appear. Welcome back to Buy with Confidence. Today, we're taking a close look at the Papablic Bottle Washer Pro, a 4-in-1 bottle washer, sterilizer, dryer, and storage solution designed for busy parents who want a cleaner, faster, and more organized feeding routine. If you're currently washing bottles multiple times a day, sanitizing pump parts separately, or simply trying to make newborn life a little more manageable, this is a product worth paying attention to. And if you'd like to check current pricing or availability, the purchase link is waiting in the description below. The Papablic Bottle Washer Pro is designed for families who use bottles daily and want a more complete system instead of relying on manual washing and separate sterilizing equipment. It combines washing, high-temperature sterilization, drying, and storage into one countertop unit. That may sound like convenience marketing at first, but once you understand how much repetitive cleaning happens during the first year of parenting, the appeal becomes very practical very quickly. Reason 1. The biggest advantage here is time efficiency. Instead of standing over the sink scrubbing bottles and accessories several times a day, the system automates most of the process. You load the bottles, add a detergent tablet, select the cycle, and the machine handles washing, sanitizing, and drying in one sequence. For sleep-deprived parents or households juggling work and newborn care, that convenience becomes a meaningful quality of life upgrade rather than a luxury feature. Reason 2. The cleaning performance feels reassuringly thorough. The unit uses high-pressure water jets combined with sterilization cycles to target milk residue, oils, and hard-to-clean bottle interiors. It's especially useful for parents using formula or pumping frequently because pump parts and feeding accessories can become tedious to clean manually. The inclusion of 60 detergent tablets also makes the experience more streamlined right out of the box. Reason 3. One of the strongest aspects of this system is versatility. It's not limited to bottles alone. You can sanitize pump parts, pacifiers, breast pump accessories, and other baby essentials. For parents recovering from a C-section or simply trying to reduce physical strain during the early postpartum period, minimizing repetitive sink work can genuinely make daily routines easier and more manageable. Reason 4. The drying function deserves more attention than it usually gets. Many standard sterilizers leave moisture behind, which often means bottles still need air drying before use. Here, bottles come out dry, warm, and ready for the next feeding cycle. That not only saves time but also keeps kitchen counters less cluttered. In smaller apartments or busy kitchens, having one organized cleaning station can make the space feel much calmer. Reason 5. The overall ownership experience feels premium and thoughtfully designed. The interface is simple to understand, the transparent chamber makes it easy to monitor cycles, and the internal layout accommodates multiple bottle sizes. The product was designed around real parenting routines rather than just technical specifications. Trusted by many 5-star reviewers, the system has built a reputation for reducing one of the most repetitive tasks new parents face every day. Reason 6. Long-term value is another reason many parents consider this system worthwhile. While the upfront investment is higher than a basic sterilizer, it potentially replaces several separate products and significantly reduces daily manual effort over months of bottle feeding. When used multiple times a day, the convenience compounds quickly. Parents who exclusively pump or rely heavily on bottle feeding will likely feel the value most strongly. Now, no product is perfect, and it's important to mention a few realistic considerations. This is a countertop appliance, so it does require dedicated space. It's also best suited for families who bottle feed consistently. If you only occasionally use bottles, a simpler sterilizer may be enough. And because it performs multiple functions, cycle times are naturally longer than a quick hand rinse. But overall, the Papablic Bottle Washer Pro stands out because it solves a very real parenting problem in a polished and practical way. It's best for new parents who value convenience, hygiene, consistency, and a more organized feeding routine. Instead of adding complexity, it removes friction from daily life, and that's often what the best baby products quietly do. If you've been looking for a smarter way to handle bottles, pump parts, and sanitizing without constantly returning to the sink, this may be one of the more worthwhile upgrades in the baby category right now. Thanks for watching Buy with Confidence. If this review helped you make a more informed decision, you can explore the product through the link in the description. And as always, choose the products that genuinely make your daily life easier, calmer, and more confident.